Hello everybody, this is Thomas again from the Chattanooga Public Library, and today we're going to be talking about starting seeds. All you need is a few containers. You can see here I have egg cartons. You can even use toilet paper or paper towel rolls cut up. And then I have some cups that I'm going to start my seeds in. I have seeds. These are all taken from the library seed bank that we have. We give these out for free. Most of these seeds have been donated to us, and then we give them back out to our patrons. And then we also need labels. It's good to keep track of what is planted where. There's been so many times where I've planted something and forgot what it was. All right, so let's get started. Pick out the seed that you want. I always just plant about a fingertip down, just make a little hole. And for your containers, you can fill them up pretty much to the top. Once you water it, it's going to saturate it, and it's going to cause it to shrink down. So you get seeds out. I always plant just a couple in each hole because not every seed actually sprouts. You'll get multiple that pop up in each one. That's all right. You can thin those out later. Now let's do a tomato. I'm only doing a couple of each, but you can do as many as you like. This is a Swiss chard. Funky looking seeds. We got yellow squash. So now that we have our seeds planted, they're covered up completely. You want to water them. I like to use a spray bottle. You don't want to just pour a bunch of water on there. It could cause the seeds to float to the top. And if you're using an egg carton like this or any kind of cardboard, you want to make sure that it's in a tray, something that doesn't leak. But for now, I'm just going to lightly spray them down. Make sure everything's covered up. And for seeds, you want to water every couple of days. You don't want them to get dry at all. You want to keep them somewhat moist. And you want to keep them in a warm, sunny location. And then hopefully in a week or two, you'll have a few sprouts. That's it. That's how you start seeds. Simple enough.